On behalf of the Al Qasama family, we are delighted to offer a gracious welcome to all of you. Friends, I think this is the right time to begin the official program with your consent. All the noble vendors begin with a prayer to the Almighty. So let me invite Master Subhan Ahmed for reciting a few verses from the Holy Quran and Master Nehan Abdul Ghafoor for its translation.
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I would like to give a wide and warm welcome to our fair and consistent principal, K.M. Abdulaziz sir. I welcome our enthusiastic, supportive leading coach, Ms. Maya ma'am. I welcome our very strong B.E.S.T school management that actually manages our school amazingly. I'm happy to welcome our effective coordinators. I would also like to welcome our parents who constantly support us.
Thank you, Miss Amna Masood. Well, very pleasant and enthusiastic good morning, my dear children, parents, teachers, guests, and other dignitaries, and a warm welcome to Al Qasama International Parliament 2021. Dear all, Model Youth Parliament, the academic simulation of the Parliament is a standalone co-curricular activity exceedingly enjoyed by all of us, children, teachers, and parents alike.
Honorable members, I cordially welcome you all to the 24th Youth Parliament session, and I hope it will be a fruitful one.
So, in the independent India, he was one of the first person in our country to make sure that all the people were treated equally. He worked hard day and night, striving to end discrimination in our societies. Personally, I have learned a lot from him, and my heartfelt deep condolences. I wish that Almighty give his family and friends all the power to get through these heartbreaking times.
A man of his words and legendary. I to associate myself and my party members with this king and feel the voice that the nation feels through this parliament.
One of the topics of discussion in today's meeting is the three farm bills: the Farmers Produce, Trade and Commerce Act, Farmers Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act, and the Essential Commodities Act.
The opposition and some farmer group want the MSP to be added to the legal framework so that they have a floor price of salt. And there is concern that big retail players and corporates could end up monopolizing farm trade and vitiate farmers' interest. What are the global precedent and what has the government done for this?
India's parliament in September passed 3 contentious bills that would allow farmers to sell their produce outside government-controlled marketplaces and directly to private buyers. Farmers entering into contract farming agreement with food processors and other firms will have liability limited to the advance that they receive or cost of farm services provided by the sponsoring firm. The farmers are having a further advantage that the sponsor would be responsible for any loss of damage to the farming produce, production site, assets, and any legal consequence of inputs supplied to the farmers.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. India is a country with federal system which gives power to state government to take decisions on education system. If central government takes all authority to implement in this education system, if state government want to make changes, they can't. This is against the constitution law. Why does the government go against the constitution law?
The statement itself is completely meaningless and unacceptable for these few reasons. 1. We are here to discuss about the new education policy which is made completely abiding the Constitution. I'm not sure about what made the honorable member to think that a well-defined education policy is stealing the rights of the federal system.
No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. A warm and graceful afternoon to our respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my most beloved friends. Being the head girl of Al Qasama International School, it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of this esteemed institution. First of all, we extend our most sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success with His blessings and grace. A warm thanks goes to our principal, Mr. K.M. Abdulaziz sir, for his vision and for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best. I'm highly obliged to extend my thanks to Ms. Maya Divakar, who is the lead coach of academics, B.E.S.T schools.